Hiccups are a reflex caused by the sudden contraction of the diaphragm and a group of other muscles that expand our rib cage so that we can breathe. The sound we make when we hiccup is produced by the involuntary contraction of our diaphragm, followed by the rapid closure of the epiglottis valve as a result of the sudden entry of air into the lung. We inherited this reflex from our amphibian ancestors 470 million years ago. It is an important reflex that allows air and water to pass through the gills during respiration in amphibians. Today, it is completely dysfunctional in adult humans.